Hey, what's up and welcome back to the Sean O'Connor YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. Today what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you guys how to remove the lower valance off your 2021 and up F150. Right now it goes up to 2023. I don't know if the 2024 is going to be the same. I hope so. But I'm going to show you guys a how-to. I do a lot of other how-tos, so make sure you check out my other videos. Let's get into it. All right, these are the tools that you'll need. A 1/4-inch ratchet, some type of extension, 1/2 socket, and a 9/32 socket. You can use 1/4-inch or you could use 3/8 drive. I'm just using 1/4-inch because I'm actually going to use this Milwaukee drill. You don't need this, but it just makes it a little bit easier. Another thing that you'll need is either a cutoff wheel, or you can get a $20 Dremel from Amazon or Walmart or Harbor Freight, and you can do that. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so what you're going to want to do first is take your Dremel tool or your cutoff wheel, and you're going to want to cut the outer layer. So you see I have the outer layer already cut, so it's a pretty clean cut. So if you look at this outside edge, you just go along the bottom of that and you can cut it, make it smooth later. You can do that with the Dremel tool or with the cutoff wheel. So I already have mine cut off, but then after you cut it off, you'll see that there's this other like flimsy one behind it. Basically what this flimsy one does is it goes up and down once you get to a certain speed on the highway. So when you get to a certain speed, it goes down to get you better fuel economy. So of note, you know, you will lose a little bit of fuel economy by taking this off, but I think that what you gain in appearance, it's fine. And if you're driving a truck, you probably don't really care about the fuel economy all too much anyways. So let's go ahead and get under it, and I'll show you guys how to remove the second layer, the active air dam one that goes down. All right, so now we are under the truck. You can see that there's this little thing like this. It's on both sides. There's the other side. So this is the thing that basically controls the active air dam. It shoots it down and pulls it back up. So as you see right here, this is the little flap. There is 3 bolts that you have to remove. So there's one here, and then there's 2 on the other side. And then this other one here, this is just an alignment pin, so you don't have to remove that. So you're basically just going to take that socket that I told you guys you'll need. It's a small one. It's a small one out of the 2. And you're just basically going to loosen all 3 of these and then do the exact same thing on the other side. And then this flap, the flap will just pull down after that. All right, so now you have the air dam flap removed. That's what this is right here. You don't need that anymore. But as you can see, this thing that sends the flap down and up, it kind of pokes out from the bottom. So what you want to do is you remove this. So there's going to be 3 bolts, and this is where you're going to use that half. You're basically just going to remove those 3 bolts. So there's 1 on this side, and then there's 2 on the other side of this thing. All right, so this is what the active shoulder thing looks like when you get it removed. You can see it had those 3 bolts. So it does have a wiring clip that you just basically unclip from here, and then you can zip tie it up out of the way. And then I would recommend putting the 3 bolts back in there in case you ever want to use it again. All right, so when you're all finished, these are the parts you're going to remove. This is the air dam diffuser thing, the 2 sides that push it down, and then the outer one, the outer valance. So it'll look a lot taller. I don't have a leveling kit or a lift on here yet, but it already looks a lot bigger just with that removed. Look a lot more aggressive, and I highly recommend it if you want to make your truck look more aggressive and you don't really care about losing half a mile per gallon or something like that. So thanks for watching. Sean O'Connor YouTube channel. See you guys next time. Got other things coming. Got lights for this. They're going to be the Alpha Rex headlights. I'm going to do a 2.5-inch level with some 35-inch mud grapplers on the stock wheels and tires with a 1/4-inch spacer just to give them a little bit of space. Probably ended up messing with the crash bars and stuff like that. But thanks for watching. See you guys next time.